First of all, I'd like to thank a group of people who have helped me out in this. My brother Victor Marion, Nancy DiGiovanni, wherever you at, you've been a tremendous help to me. I want to thank people who have come pretty far to this Virginia, and I'm waiting on Johnny Not Gone. Where are you? In California. How I started this group was I was a little disgruntled with the other Marion page, and I deleted myself off that group because half of the people were not even from Marion. I wanted a true Marion page, and that's what I did in October last year. And within 6 months, I was here getting a reunion for each and every one of us. As of today, we have over 700 pictures posted in the group. We have approximately 600, which I got about 250 in limbo because somebody with the name of Ishkabil wants to join, and they're not getting in. I put blocks on people, I deleted people off the group. I created this just for you people out there. I'm trying to do an annual reunion. I had a little problem this first time. I think next year, if I get some help, I'll pick some people to help along the way, people who want to volunteer to help with me. I wish someone would come up and say a prayer. I was hoping Randy was here. I'll call my sister Suzanne to come up. I want to pray for the people in Florida and the Caribbean. It's been a devastation. It's unreal. I also want to pray for the group and keep everybody healthy and around for next year's reunion. Once again, I haven't seen faces out there for 40, 50 years. Some of you probably don't even know who I am, but I come from a family of 12, 7 brothers, 5 sisters. Everybody from Marion knows who the Marions are. Mom's been 70 plus years down in Marion, and the Venatical family been there prior to that. I'm seeing some great people here tonight. Food's coming out at 7 o'clock. We're going to dance. We're going to have a great time. God bless you all for coming. And salud.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Please respect.
At this time, we'd like to ask you, dear Jesus, to look after the people in Florida. Make them safe and let this hurricane not be so bad. We thank you. And we thank you for allowing us to be here, all of us tonight, in this glorious occasion. How lucky are we to be here today. And Paul, we want to thank you and ask God to bless you for bringing us here together. Thank you, Father. Amen.
So I just have to announce my brother Victor will not be attending. He was one of my little partner in crime here. My brother Joseph, he got a little stomach virus. He won't be attending. I got a call last night, this morning. It's about 10 to 12 people who have cancer. We had approximately 125 to 127. We're down to about 115. Still good. We're still going to have a blast. But I have to thank my brother Victor. He's been a tremendous help to me. He put me in contact. Obviously, we got good connections with the casino. I want to thank Barney Sweeney, Kathleen, and Jay for making this all happen. Once again, food's coming out, music's going to be played, and you all have a great time tonight. Thank you.
Well, bon appetito. It's not the rose, but you know, it'll do. We have my cousin Paula and Sally here, and I love you both very much. Sammy, and so many of you that I love very much. I haven't seen you for years and years. But nevertheless, hi Kathy. Charlie, where's Charlie? There he is. See? My wife Nadine's over there, Charlie. I meant to come over. I came here tonight with the vision that I've had most of my life. For those that remember our church, Our Lady Mount Carmel, well, it wouldn't be there if it wasn't for our founding fathers and mothers who struggled from Sicily, Naples, and Italy to come here, to plant their seeds, and to give us this life we have today. So wherever they are, we love you. There are people that are not here tonight. Rudy, my dearest friend of life. And my cousin Carl, who has touched my heart every day of my life. Because whenever he saw me, he would say, "Cuz!" And there was nothing like seeing that and feeling that from him. And Johnny, he's been like touching bases every day of my life with you. I couldn't have my art career if it wasn't for you. He went to State College to take my math exam. This is one of those secrets we have. Yeah. Thank you, John. I'm pretty good at that stuff, man. Nevertheless, we have a pastor at our parish, Monsignor Walter Paul Arioli. And I was just talking to Mikey Benedetti, who's not here today. And he said, "You know, Charlie," he said, "that guy put me to St. Peter's College and I never got there if it wasn't for him." Mikey's near retirement now, but he's a great banker and has been banking in the system for most of his life. And from what I know from Mikey Benedetti, he had your back. Wherever you went on the streets, no matter where it was, he had your back. Aside from that, the pastor that served us, he not only served in the church or in the community or, in the cafeteria that he came so many times, but he walked through our neighborhood streets. And he knew us kids from when we were small till we grew up. And we owe him so much. Not even enough words can explain how much we owe him. And when I went to visit the church after so many years, Gus's wife, Santa, she gave me some pictures. She says, "Nobody wants them, nobody cares." I said, "That's not true." I said, "I have a vision to do a stained glass in his memory." And it was just not to do it, it was more than that, because I talked to Randy Riotto on the phone, in person. Randy would say, I said, "Randy, the pastor." "Oh God, the pastor. He was a saint." And it didn't matter who you spoke to. Even us guys, we knew him as a saint. So this window of stained glass is one of many of my creations. In fact, if you go to Trenton, New Jersey, at the Justice Hughes Center, you'll see my 14-foot by 10-foot wide Statue of Liberty. It's there. So if you get a chance to get to that center, it's in the wonderful atrium there. And it'll be coming to the new Hudson County Courthouse to be installed there in a few years from now. But this window of St. Francis of Assisi, it was chosen in the fact that he was not a priest, he was a monk, but he gave us mercy. He knew what mercy was. So I'm going to give you one example. Randy said to me, Riotto, that is, he said, "You know, Charlie, one day, it was like February, it was maybe like 8 below zero. And my senior saw a woman without a coat. He took his coat off, put it over his shoulders, never asked him to return it. That's the kind of mercy he had. I remember my brothers and I, we didn't have sneakers. And he called us to the rectory once, and there was a whole pair of like Ked sneakers. It was like, for me, that was big time. And so these are the little things. Imagine the bigger things that he did for serving us for over 30 years and giving to our parish and neighborhood what our forefathers and foremothers planted there. He took care of us. And we're here today, and there are more of us that hasn't come today. But we're here today. And I would ask you, when I made this, I was lost because when the Pope blessed it in Washington, D.C., when he came here in 2015, I had put a lot of time, material. Funding wasn't a thing because God gave me the needs. But I thought, gee, when I found out the sons and daughters of Marion were collectively coming together, I said to my wife, Nadine, who, by the way, she's the best thing that ever came into my life. And thank you. They need to stand up so they can see your beauty. I told my wife tonight, she says, I don't know how you think. I said, all the guys are going to see you like I see you, right, John? In short, though, the window was important, but you people are more important, because all of you have to do something. It's made to go to the Pontifical North American Wing of Cardinals in the Vatican. And I can't believe that I just want to see you not participate in it. Not just for me, because I'm little to all of this, other than the creator of the window, but for our forefathers and foremothers. If I went to your father, Uncle Lou, if I went to Uncle Harry, for all the 20 years that I've been in that barroom, and the real story of Colugino is not the Bronx Tale. It's Marion, Jersey City, and I'm Colugino. But I love those guys. Those men, they were real deal men. They told it like it is, and they didn't say much, but they knew what was happening. So for them and the wives, that every one of us went in each other's houses. We knew your mothers, we knew your cousins and everybody. I was just talking to Andrew Muscanero. Jesus, Andrew, how many times we ate at your table? Short of, yeah, meatballs and spaghetti. Oh, there he is. And John, your mother Ida, I mean, she was an inspiration to what it was to do a feast like this. Bona festa, she would say. So, I'm going to ship that. It's going to take an antiquities company and the right moves on the other side to get it there. I'm not asking for big donations. I'm asking for everybody to contribute something tonight. We have favors of the poster of the window. Everybody gets that for free anyway. We brought them here for you, my wife and I. And we'll give them out before you go home. They'll be in the boxes and you just take one. The CDs that I did in my life, I sang with the Harry James Orchestra, performed how many times, Deanie? Over and over again. But I have 3 CDs, and for those that donate $50 or more, the 3-pack CD is yours. Yeah,
I get 2 packs then.
You get to, you already donated. They should know, but I'll keep my mouth shut. So I want to thank Paul again for this magnanimous evening that he's given us. And for all of you, because there's a guy out there that tonight my heart was beating to see a long time, Ali Tataglia. Where are you, Ali? I can't even. Ali.
Stand up, Al.
Stand up, Ali. Stand up. Hey, oh, stand up.
Hey, you know what?
I was on the phone with Ali the other day. It's been 20 years, I don't know. Come see me sing in New York. Ali, Allie, remember when you came to New York City to see me sing? Him and a few of the guys here. Shelley's in New York. Anyway, we were talking, and we were thinking about when he delivered the bread, his uncle's bread, the family's bread to the tavern. Baron's meatballs. There's Nicky Girardi. Nicky, where are you? Get fired, Nicky. How many times they slept in your house for crying out loud? Your mother.
I got a bill for you.
Anyway, when I think of these things that we share, we are so very lucky. And I ask you to remember Monsignor tonight. And again, it's not about the money, it's about our family. Remember who we are, where we come from. Like my father said to me, you know what blood is runs in your veins, you know what you eat, so you know who you are. And I think each one of you know the same. God bless you. Let's enjoy the evening, dance, sing, manjai, and how much more can I say? Thank you.
Let's give Charlie a big hand. Well, this is going to the Vatican, so any donation appreciated. And whatever 50-50 that's collected tonight, I'm giving half of that to Charlie. I would like to thank two ladies in my life. One is my mom, who just turned 92. And the next one I want to thank, she had to put up with all this bullshit. She's been my rock. She probably saved my life. I want to thank my beautiful wife, Lydia Marion. Please stand up. Stand up, baby. Stand up. Once again, I want to thank everybody who have traveled from a distance, from Virginia, from California. Johnny, glad you made it, my buddy.
I walked.
He walked, he said. Everybody, please have a great time tonight. Let's get this music started and let's do some boogie. I got slapped when you got home because they knew what you were doing. And I used to go and have, my father was a big fanatic with chocolate bacon. He liked the crunchy bread. What I'm trying to get at is that we are blessed to come from the Marion section. Yes, we have moved away. Yes, it's not the same. But yes, we can do this every year if you like. And keep the memories alive. Lupus and he said, I'm going to draw the 50-50, and after that, I would like to bring up one or two gentlemen to make their own special speeches. One is John Mondale. Anybody would like to draw the 50-50 from the coffee can that I got? How about Mama? You're going to say it was fake. Come on, Mama.
Two old ladies.
Here's my mother and my Aunt Marie. 92 years old, like Energizer Bunny. I got the spoon still in this sandwich. Yeah, Ma, take one. Hey, honey, anybody got glasses?
Everybody.
Oh my God. Alright, I think I can see this. I'm getting old. The number is 9, 8, 9, 2, 1. 9892178. There we go. 92. You got it.
I had a lot of cocktails.
I also want to make another announcement. This party's till 10 o'clock. But since Jay's a very outstanding character and a great guy, anybody who would like to stay past 10, it's going to be a cash bar. Okay? But he's willing to keep us here. I know we haven't seen each other, and I know there's numerous people probably want to stick around. So this party's not over. The music's going to play. Cash bar after 10. I did the best I can. Next year we're going to do even better. With that said, I'm going to bring up John Nadon.
Pauline! Oh! Where's my 30%? Pauline! Last thing look on his face.
Good evening, everybody. Come here. Hey, just want you to know I hit the 50-50. And I'm going to give it back to Charlie for his personal thing. I don't know if everybody went up and saw this beautiful thing that he made of the stained glass. But it's amazing. And anybody that donates anything, $50 or more, we get a tape. Find the proclamation. And that and you also get a tape. I don't know if you like the way he sings, I do. I think we're going to play a song my way from him and we play him very well. Well, please, everybody, before you even make a donation or do anything that's personal for Charlie, I would really appreciate if you just walk by and took a really good look at it. It's really, really beautiful, the time that he put into it. I know personally, because I used to go and see him in Shenandoah Valley, is that correct? And I just would appreciate that everybody would just get up and whatever you can give. It's really going to be for a good cause. I love Charlie Brown, and there's no one other person that I love in this place. His name is Charlie too. Charlie. And I always have to throw Charlie into the mix. And of course, my bride of 25 something years, is it 25 years? It's somewhere. Marie Gargon, I love you, sweetheart. You are the sweetest. And everybody, please, if you can, please just, if you dig deep a little bit, I appreciate it. My family and everybody else here. I love everybody from the bottom of my heart. And you all take care. Good luck.
Thank you, Johnny. Like I said, next year, I'm going to bring Johnny aboard, and anybody that wants to volunteer to be on the committee to pump this up. All right? You get some more tables. Louis DeLuca, Johnny, even Jeffrey Campbell. I know you hang down the shore. You can get the people up here. Charles is coming up now to read this. Please listen and be quiet. Very low.
So all the families, all the families, you're here tonight. Put those creditable seeds of your ancestors in the names of the present ancestors, the present new families, on this proclamation that should be known to the Vatican, to the emissary of the Pope. And it reads, for the greater glory of God, on this day, September 9th, 2017, a proclamation of remembrance and celebration of the life of Monsignor Walter Paul Arioli, our shepherd and pastor of Our Lady of Mount Carmel Roman Catholic Church of Jersey City, New Jersey, USA. Served from 1934 to 1969, is hereby issued with the faithful descendants of Italian Americans and their families, the sons and daughters of the Marion section of Jersey City Group, hereby salute his spiritual guidance and the acts of mercy from this great nation of North America to the Holy See in Rome, Italy. We, with this lead stained glass of St. Francis of Assisi, created by me, member of the Marion Group, in solidarity of faith, we offer this stained glass gift to the Pontifical North American College of Cardinals at the Vatican, Rome, Italy. And John, thank you. Paulie, thank you. God bless you both. Thank you. And all of you. Have a safe trip home when you're ready to leave. They're going to put one of my songs on so you can hear My Way. But,
love it.
for the old... 450. And this is the, you all have to sign this, Boost is over here in this, layout. But, Charlie, I love you. You know that. All you people, remember your families. Don't forget to put their names. That's all I have to say. God bless you all. I hope we do this again next year, and it's as warm as it is tonight, and a little more crowded. So, for the older people, 92 years old, God bless you. Stand up, give her a hand. 92 years old. And all you seniors for Marion, would you stand up so we can see who you are? Stand up. God bless you all.
I'm going to give half of my donation, 50-50, to this cause. And anybody who would like to donate, please see Charlie. And let's get this over to Italy, to the Vatican, please. Okay, any donations we'll appreciate. He's going to give out some booklets over here. And once again, he's got some CDs. If anybody donates 50, you get some CDs for me. God bless. Listen, we're going to keep this bar open, but money must be spent for this bar to stay open. So, I know we want to talk, but he's told me he'll keep this place open as long as we spend money. And I'm sure he'll keep it up to 1, 2 o'clock in the morning if we have to. If not, we're going to shut it down. But I don't want us to shut it down. I want to party a little bit more. I haven't seen most of you in 30, 40 years. So, let's have a great time. And Tony, kick up the music, my friend.
This is for you, Mrs. Nataliano, because we remember you all the time. You know I play it for you. God bless you many, many more.